In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy responses from ChatGPT Atlas. This quick guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly, ensuring you can efficiently utilize the responses wherever you need them. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open ChatGPT Atlas. If you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT Atlas, it's a powerful tool that enables you to interact with artificial intelligence in a conversational format. It can be a real game changer in assisting with a variety of tasks, from brainstorming ideas to even answering complex questions. So, with ChatGPT Atlas open, your journey begins. When the application is up and running, you'll notice a sidebar on the interface. The sidebar is an essential feature because it acts like the main control panel for selecting and managing your chats. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with how the sidebar looks. It should be on the left side of your screen. It's pretty straightforward to navigate once you get the hang of it. The next step is to select the specific chat you're interested in. Deciding on the right conversation is crucial because that's where you'll find the responses you wish to copy. Scroll through the list of your recent chats in the sidebar. Once you find the conversation, click on it to bring up the whole dialogue. If you have a lot of chats, searching for keywords that stand out can save you time. Now, it's time to move to the core action of our tutorial, selecting the response. Carefully go through the chat to find the specific piece of information or response that you need. When you've located it, use your cursor to highlight the text. This step ensures that you're capturing exactly what you need without any errors or missing parts. With the text highlighted, you'll see an option to copy. This should be easy to spot as most interfaces provide a simple button for this purpose. Click on this copy button. This action stores the selected response temporarily, allowing you to transfer it wherever you'll find it useful. Whether you're using a mouse or a trackpad, the process is the same. Finally, with the response copied to your clipboard, you're all set to paste it wherever you need. Whether it's a document, an email, or even another chat, simply place your cursor in the location where you want the text to appear. Use the paste function of your device, which can typically be done by right-clicking and selecting paste, or by using the shortcut command for paste. And there you have it. Your copied response should now appear in its new location, ready for use. That wraps up today's tutorial. By mastering these steps, you'll be able to efficiently copy and paste responses from ChatGPT Atlas, making your workflow a whole lot smoother.